So, logical reasoning is a very neutral section. I am Anshul Soor and I'm here to provide you some tips on how to ace this section. Now, you see, logical reasoning does not test your mathematical prowess or your mathematical genius that you flaunted in 11th and 12th, nor does it test your proficiency in a language like English. However, what logical reasoning does test is the very basic fundamental aspect of human knowledge, that is applying logic. Now, I have 2 pointers to give you all that you will have to seriously work upon. The first pointer is building a proper presence of mind while solving the questions. Because I have seen that people lack presence of mind and then they end up doing a lot of mistakes while solving. You see, logical reasoning questions are quite easy. However, it's easier to make mistakes while solving. Because when you're solving, you just get quite overconfident and you start running through the questions and you start missing out on the minutest of the minutest details. So start building a presence of mind, start building proper focus. That's the first pointer. Now the second pointer is practice. I know you've heard from a billion people a trillion times that practice makes man perfect. I have too. But I can assure you that is true. Now, when you're solving logical reasoning questions, when you're practicing them, take a set of questions, maybe like 20 questions, and set a time limit, maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Solve those questions, and at the end, analyze which questions you left or which questions you did wrong. Analyze the trade-off between accuracy and the trade-off between the time that you're taking for solving each and every question. Practice in this way so that you have a kind of a system of check and balance when you're solving and practicing. And you will see that you will slowly and steadily grow and develop each and every day. Now, when you're going for that final day of JIPMAT, be sure to be calm, be focused, have a proper presence of mind, and be optimistic and be confident about what you have studied, what you have practiced, and what you're about to do. That's all. Thank you.